So what made you live out in the streets again?
Oh, just to get more money. I lost all my job and all my things, and just come here to get some more money. Get better work.
It's really sad thing
Yeah,
to
that's
hear.
what I mean. How
Well,
about you?
I've been kicked out. I've been kicked out of my house.
Oh, how did you get kicked out? What was the problem?
Just a lot of family issues. Just not behaving, coming in late,
Oh, yeah, that always happens.
and things like that. Just it all added up, and
Yeah, that's
just
happens.
come back on me.
What's your idea of how to get in money?
Well, begging is always one,
Yeah,
but
that's true.
I
that's
think
what I mean,
it should be. I should show a talent that I have to people.
That's true. Yeah, that's what I need to
Well,
do.
I don't know if I should do that, but I'm thinking to. But
I think that will work. But you
yeah,
have to be a good talented as well.
hopefully it does work.
Hopefully you
Hopefully,
will do more training.
yeah.
Just come with me. I will help you get more money. Or know some good places to get money.
No,
I will
I
help
understand you trying to help me, but I'm doing it myself.
No, bro,
Just leave it.
calm down. Hey, Carl.
Leave it. I've been alright. Well,
I heard that you started living in the street now.
yeah,
stuff
I
like
do
that.
live in the streets. My mother had actually kicked me out. It's really hard right now for me.
It's really difficult for you.
Yeah, and the last time I seen you was in Leavers Assembly, wasn't it?
Yeah, I've just been on holiday, traveling and stuff.
Oh,
You know.
that's really good on you, man. I hope I get to that stage one day in life. Hope.
Yeah, but you just need a little bit of help, because obviously, you've been kicked out of school
No, but
ever since, and
I want to do it myself as well. Try get there by myself.
so you're going through a hard time then.
Yeah, I am going through a hard time because from the hunger and not drinking, I get belly aches and really bad pains in my belly.
I got the scratch card that I basically bought from a shop, and obviously I don't
you
need
don't
it.
have to.
No, you can have it, man. Trust me,
Sure.
that's the least I can do. I obviously did it for a while, so that's the only thing I can do for you. 'Cause I'm not
Okay.
sure if I'm going to see you again, so
Yeah.
might as well, if I can just give you my help and give you a hand, It's okay, man. Let me just.
I really appreciate it.
It's no problem, man. As long as I can help, I'll help you because I'm not sure if I'm going to see you again, so,
Okay.
But take care, I need to go because I got stuff to do. So I'll see you again, yeah?
Okay. Alright. How are you? You good?
Thank you.
That's good, man. Sorry about last time, man.
Don't worry, it's not helpful.
Yeah, man. I got some water for you and some money for you, boss.
Oh, alright, okay, just transfer it.
I'm really sorry about that. No, yeah, man.
This is too
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Actually, too much.
Okay, man. Really
That's enough.
No, no,
That's
no, no.
enough. That's enough.
No, how much you got?
Wait.
No, you can
Oh, okay.
okay, well, sorry about that. So what are you gonna do with the money, bro?
Actually planning to get education, get something, learn new, something new.
Yeah, that's good,
Yeah,
man. That's
probably.
good.
And thank you very much for your help.
Yeah, so that's good, right? That's good, man. Yeah, same as me as well, man. I want to go to school, education, and maybe, yeah. And I want a job as well, on the side as well. Look after yourself, okay? Okay.
See you.